Fallopian tube infertility and Yang's therapy. What does Yang's therapy for fallopian tube infertility mean? It refers to the treatment of fallopian tube infertility. Dr. Yang Shuhua, the director at Beijing Antai Hospital, has developed a series of techniques for contracted treatment of fallopian tube infertility. Full refund if the desired outcome is not achieved. It means a full refund if no pregnancy occurs within 2 years after the surgery. At the same time, it helps patients avoid detours and shortens treatment time. Conditions included in Yang's therapy are: firstly, 3D hysteroscopy and laparoscopy, dynamic digital hysterosalpingography, anti-adhesive membrane, fallopian tube stent, uterine cavity stent, excellent suturing techniques. Whether it's blockage, adhesions, malformations, or defects, Dr. Yang will use Yang's therapy for systematic selective treatment to achieve the desired outcome. Initially called 2 scopes and a thread open the door to your fertility. It combines hysteroscopy and laparoscopy to unblock the blocked fallopian tube. By using a Cook catheter, then placing a fallopian tube stent to open the door to fertility. In fact, the fallopian tube is a gateway to reproduction. Once it is blocked, the hope of natural pregnancy is lost. Opening blocked and adhered fallopian tubes is a highly delicate and challenging surgery, requiring special equipment such as 3D hysteroscopy, dynamic digital imaging, fallopian tube stents, uterine cavity stents, anti-adhesive membranes, and a series of devices and instruments, as well as exquisite surgical skills. Furthermore, Dr. Yang Shuhua is particularly patient. Spending hours to separate adhesions is a common occurrence. Never complaining, never being impatient, and never causing stress to patients. That's why many patients are willing to seek her out. This is also the pinnacle of infertility treatment at Beijing Antai Hospital. Over the past 20 years, there have been tens of thousands of cases where patients with fallopian tube infertility have been cured naturally, without resorting to in vitro fertilization, IVF. It greatly benefits society and saves treatment costs.